In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section over here. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now select the password that you wish to get rid of. I will go with my Messenger one. Enter your screen lock to access it, and tap on Delete button to get rid of it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully deleted from Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!